Welcome to our presentation. We are students at Coastline Community College taking financial accounting. We will show you how to journalize, post entries, and generate reports using QuickBooks. We will first log into QuickBooks. After logging in, you will see the home page. And from here, we can go to Banking, More, and Journal Entry to view our journal entries. From here, we will go to Recent and All to view all our journal entries from the GLS assignment P51A. The first journal entry is on May 1st. Purchased merchandise on account from Hilton Wholesale Supply, $8,000, terms 210 net 30. The merchandise inventory is debited $8,000 to record purchase of merchandise on account, and accounts payable is credited $8,000. Another transaction that I will show you is sold merchandise on account $4,400, terms 310 net 30, and the cost of merchandise sold was $3,300. So I would go back to all, go to my second journal entry, which is sold merchandise on account $4,400, terms 310 net 30. So I will debit accounts receivable $4,400 to record sales on account, and credit sales $4,400. Now the next part of the transaction is the cost of merchandise sold was $3,300. So I'll go back to all and go to the third journal entry, which I would debit supplies and merchandise cost of goods sold $3,300 to record cost of inventory sold, and credit merchandise inventory $3,300. Now I'll show you how to create a journal entry. So I will go to More and Journal Entry. The transaction that we will be entering in is for May 31st. Sold merchandise on account $1,280, terms net 30. So as you can see, if we need to change the date is right here. So it's already on May 31st. So we're going to go ahead and go down here and debit accounts receivable $1,280, and it's to record the sale. And I will credit sale income $1,280, and as you can see, when I hit sales, it automatically populated. Next, I need to choose a customer, so I'm just going to choose customer A, and I will save the journal entry. Now I will do the second part of the transaction, which is the cost of merchandise sold was $830 for the same date, May 31st. So we have May 31st here. So I will debit cost of goods sold, $830, and this is to record the cost of inventory, and I will credit merchandise inventory $830, and I will go ahead and save the entry. So we have entered in all our journal entries. From here we can go to all and view all our journal entries. These are all the transactions that we have inputted from the GLS assignment P51A. From here we can go to reports, and because QuickBooks is a computerized software, we just enter in the journal entries and it posts and closes, and it'll automatically generate these reports for us. The reports that we will be looking at today is the profit and loss, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. There are many other reports, but for us we're going to be using these three. So the first is profit and loss. This shows us the time frame, the period of the statement, the income minus the discounts, refunds, and then it gives you total income. And then you can subtract the cost of goods sold, and then gives you the gross profit, and then gross profit minus the expenses gives us the net income. From here we can go back to reports. Next we will view the balance sheet. And the balance sheet shows the assets, total liabilities, and equity. And this is a partial balance sheet because according to the assignment, we did not enter in any common stock or retained earnings, so that's what you see here is 0. So, and we do have assets and we do have liabilities, and when you see the total liabilities and equity, you see 2,664, which equals total assets, 2,664. From here, we will go back to reports. And we can view the statement of cash flows. And this shows you a partial statement of cash flows because of the information that we have entered into the system. So that's why it shows you net income 1,864 like you saw on the profit and loss statement. And it also shows you net cash provided by operating activities, net cash increase for period, and cash at the end of the period. And this, like I said, is a partial statement of cash flows. So, and you are also able to access the different reports from this tab right here. So you can, for example, you can go back to the profit and loss, you can go back to balance sheet, and I will take you back to the reports page. From our presentation, you can see how easy it is to journalize entries and generate reports. There are many accounting software systems that have made it easier to keep track of all transactions. Accountants are able to record journal entries and access reports automatically. Among many software, some examples are QuickBooks, Peachtree, Mass 200, and many others. This has helped accountants work more efficiently. This is the end of our presentation, and thank you for watching.